Actually, it was the plan or the concept of Governor Art Yap. He conceptualized all of this because, the Kasadya is a Christmas event, and as early as July or August, we had already started our consultation meetings. So, as part of his trust in tourism and agriculture development, kining Kasadya mo complement yun as a part of our cultural tourism development.
Actually, the concept of the market came in late August or September because Governor Art Yap would really want to engage with our young entrepreneurs. He saw the great potential of our young entrepreneurs and startups. He would really want to push for the development of our micro, small, medium enterprises in support of our tourism program. So he would really want to showcase the best of Boholano products, our handicrafts, our food, local cuisine in particular. He's so into local food. He even knows bakasi and nilabog. No, that's how passionate he is, and he's so into food as your first option of choice when you go into a place. So this actually is a showcase of, as I was saying, the best of what Bohol can offer to our visitors to the province.
In the Kasadya, we started now November 5th, but actually more of my focus is on the Daigon and Belen contest, and Ms. Inday Dominici is taking charge of developing this showcase curated marketplace. But I stay more focused on the Daigon and Belen contest. The Daigon and the Belen are the two of the most enduring Christmas heritage, Christmas traditions we have in Bohol. So ato nang bangunon, ang rason ana is to rekindle the love and passion of the Boholanos for this already nawala na bitang prominence sa karon sa Belen and Daigon because with the presence of the gadgets and canned entertainments, the Boholanos, especially the younger generations, dali na kay silang mangita og gagmay nga kalipay, no? But for the for our older folks, kinig yung Belen, kinig yung Daigon, murag yunig kabilin gyud kini sa atong mga kanhi mga katigulangan. This is a province-wide participated in by all the municipalities, LGUs, including the city, the Daigon and the Belen contest. With all the contestants, ato na silang i-prejudge, atong i-audition. Doon na sila ay preliminary competition ato sa Bohol Cultural Center. We will start on December 9 and 10, i-coach na muna sila. O kayron nga ma-consider nga ang atong mga judges magod particular gyud kay sila kung mga Daigon tinuod ba nga Daigon, no? So what we are going to do is require all the participating Daigon contestants nga mo submit gyud og lyrics sa ilang mga Daigon kay tan-awon sa atong mga board of judges kung traditional ba gyud na siya nga Daigon. Dagan man kanta gud nga basta na lang Christmas song pero dili gyud Daigon. Daigon means praising praise ta sa atong newborn Messiah kay Christmas month. Unya, og ari na po karon na siyang December 9 and 10. Pagka December 13 mo na kana sila ang final judging na gyud sa mga with all the costumes na ato gyapon sa Bohol Cultural Center, and we have invited prominent and known musicians, traditional musicians from Manila. Ari na po sa Belen, na Belen is also another enduring tradition, Christmas tradition, kabilin po na. So natay mga mechanics na taas kaayo, but then to inform the public of the general development para gyud sa atong Belen contest, starting karong December 1 to December 15, anhi dinhi sa atong CPG Park i-display ang 8 finalist Belens. 8 finalists. From there, we will get the major awards, which is the first place, second place, third place, and 5 consolation prizes, 8 finalists all in all. Sure. The prize for the Belen is, the governor has increased the amount, no? Kay ang Belen good mo invest man ang atong LGU participating LGUs. Ang first prize is 350,000, second prize is 250, third prize is 150,000, plus consolation prize of 50,000 each of the 5 consolation prizes totaling to 250,000. All in all, 1 million pesos ang total prizes sa Bilen. Sa Daigon din tuod, ako insulti, ang first prize is a bit lower, just a bit, 200,000. Second prize, 150. Third prize is 100. And 5 consolation prizes of 30,000 pesos is a total of 150. All in all, 600,000 ang total sa atong Daigon prizes.
This is all very hard work dedicated to the people of Bohol. What we're trying to highlight is a Christmas village that will not showcase regular products. Ang atong objective is mo-showcase na ng atong mga kaugalingong unique products. And that is what we're trying to do. Hopefully, in the coming days, we will see where we are strong. We will also see where we are weak. And gamito na atong experience sa kining event, kalihukan, so that we can strengthen all our products.